Google is reportedly planning to unveil its Pixel 10 lineup at the Made by Google event on August 20th, according to a recent report from Android Headlines. This date contradicts earlier rumors of a June 27 launch for the new high-end Pixel phones. If this leak is accurate, the successors to the Pixel 9 will go on sale 1 week later, on August 28. The report states that 4 Pixel 10 models will debut: the standard Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. The Pixel 10 series is expected to resemble its predecessor, with subtle design updates. The main model is said to feature a new periscope telephoto camera. Displays across the lineup will incorporate pulse width modulation, PWM dimming, and reduced flicker for eye protection. Android Authority notes Google has invited Pixel superfans to a Pixel Penthouse event in London on June 27, where 25 attendees can preview new devices and features. Although the invitation does not mention Pixel 10 by name, analysts believe this series will be the star of the show. Google previously confirmed that the stable version of Android 16 will arrive in the second quarter of 2025, before the end of June. This early rollout contrasts with Android 15 schedule and aligns with a potential July release for the Pixel 10 lineup. These timing shifts have raised expectations around software-hardware integration and suggest that Pixel 10 smartphones might reach customers sooner than initially expected. Rumors hint at improved battery life, faster charging speeds, and performance gains across the Pixel 10 models. All devices are expected to run on Google Next Generation Tensor G4 chip, promising better artificial intelligence capabilities and enhanced photography. Potential software upgrades include an upgraded night sight, improved astrophotography modes, and new video recording options. These enhancements aim to keep Google competitive in the high-end smartphone market. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is said to offer a larger screen, potentially around 6.7 inches, while the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could feature an inward folding display similar to other major foldable rivals. Price points remain unconfirmed, but industry watchers speculate the standard Pixel 10 will start near $799, with the Pro models priced higher and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold commanding a premium. Google's strategy appears to focus on offering multiple form factors to appeal to various consumers, from photography enthusiasts to those seeking cutting-edge foldable technology. The shift from a rumored June 27 launch to an August 20 event has raised questions about Google production timeline and readiness. If Google proceeds with the Pixel Penthouse preview in June, followed by the full launch in late August, the company can refine software, finalize hardware configurations, and build anticipation. For now, fans and analysts will watch Google official communications for confirmation of dates, features, and pricing. In the meantime, rumors will continue to swirl about how the Pixel 10 series will shape Google smartphone fortunes in 2025.